We have some exciting new updates to share with you for advisor reports. We've added a new section called Retail Saturation Reports. Currently, there are 4 available reports: Unit Saturation, Unit Goal, Gross, and Gross Goal. These names may change as we continue receiving customer feedback. In this video, I'll show you where to find these reports, how to configure your service and parts mappings, and how to customize the information displayed. These reports are available through the Fixed Ops Leaderboard program. To access the setup options, go to Settings, select Fixed Ops Settings, and then open Fixed Ops and Part Code Mapping. The information displayed here is unique to your dealership. The system automatically loads the opcodes and part codes found within your store's data. You can organize related opcodes and part codes into groups. We currently refer to these groups as mappings or maps. You can create as many mappings as you need. For example, you could create mappings for brakes, alignments, oil changes, flushes, tires, or any other services you would like to track. To create a mapping, enter a name for the group, then search for an opcode by entering the code number or a related term. For example, if we search for brakes, the system displays any opcodes containing that term. We can then select items such as front brakes, rear brakes, brake replacement, or any other applicable services in the dealership system. You can also include related part codes such as brake sets or rotor sets. Every dealership uses different codes and descriptions, so your available options may look different from the examples shown here. You can add or remove items from a mapping at any time. When you open an existing mapping, the system retrieves the most recent data and cross-references the selected codes. You can also manually add additional codes by typing them into the appropriate section. Once your mappings are configured, return to the Fixed Ops Leaderboard and open Advisor Reports. Select Retail Saturation Reports and then choose the report you would like to view. For this example, we'll open Unit Saturation. By default, the report displays customer pay data. You can use the available controls to include or exclude other payment types. The report also displays every available mapping as a column. If you have created several mappings, you can scroll horizontally to review them all. To simplify the report, select Columns to Show and choose only the mappings you want displayed. The Unit Saturation Report shows the total number of repair orders, the number of times each mapped service appeared, and the resulting percentage. For example, if a mapped service appeared on 6 repair orders, the report calculates that number against the advisor's total repair orders to determine the saturation percentage. Each mapped category is calculated individually, so you can clearly see the performance of every service without combining unrelated categories. You can also display this information on a shared report or leaderboard screen by using the Report Builder. Within the Report Builder, you can select which mappings appear on the screen. For design and readability purposes, you can display up to 6 mappings at a time. The on-screen column labels currently use the first 4 letters of each mapping name. You can abbreviate your mapping names when creating them if you would like the labels to appear differently. After selecting the mappings and other report settings, save your changes and refresh the report to view the updated layout. We are continuing to improve these reports to make them easier to read and use. We also look forward to developing them further based on your feedback.